Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making ice cream cake, which is a summer dessert, using a ready-made cake. Let's begin. Overlap a cling wrap in a baking pan that has a detachable bottom. Divide the cake in the middle, then put the bottom of the cake into the baking pan and add ice cream as shown in the video. Your ice cream should be semi-hard or spreadable as shown. Level the ice cream with a spoon or an offset spatula. Roughly break strawberry twirls or biscuits with your hands. Please check the description box for finer details on this recipe. Sprinkle the biscuits on the ice cream. Then add almond flakes or any nuts of choice. If you don't like nuts or you are allergic, skip them. Chop Turkish delights or any kind of sweets into smaller pieces, then sprinkle them on top of the biscuits or cookies. Please let me know in the comment section if you would try this special cake. Close with the top of the cake and cover the cake with the cling wrap and freeze it for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. Once the cake is set, in another bowl, mix heavy cream with the cream from the cake and blend them together. To avoid overmixing, use a whisk to finish off the blending. Pour the cream into the cake and allow the cream to drip down or the sides of the cake. Level it on top. Then freeze it for 20 minutes uncovered or until the cream is set. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Take out the cake from the cake pan slowly and carefully. Because the ice cream melts fast, garnish it and serve it immediately. I've garnished it with the same ingredients that I've used inside. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.